Right, we have breaking news coming in right now. Three youth Congress leaders, three youth Congress workers have been detained by Delhi police from Roru in Shimla early Wednesday. They were being brought back to Himachal Pradesh after intervention by the state police. And we are just playing out those videos for you. Now, according to Himachal Pradesh police, the Delhi police team was intercepted at the Dharampur in Solan district, where the action was termed illegal, and the workers were released from custody. Now, what we understand is that this trio was picked up from Roru in connection with the protest held in the national capital that was at the AI Impact Summit. And the members of the Youth Congress, NSUI, and the Congress workers were at the AI at this issue. The protest had drawn participation from party youth wing and student leaders, leading to detentions by Delhi police during demonstrations. So this is the breaking news we have right now. Delhi police team had intercepted. So this is basically a face-off, you see, between Delhi police and Himachal Pradesh police. These are police forces, police personnel from Himachal Pradesh versus the police personnel from Delhi. And the face-off happens over detention of three youth Congress workers. The Delhi police team is intercepted by the Himachal police in Solan. Himachal police stopped the Delhi cops and they released the Congress workers. So you're understanding the angles here. Himachal Pradesh ruled by the Congress, and Delhi police rushes. Delhi police is in fact blocked by the Himachal police, stopped by the Himachal police, and the Congress workers are released. Delhi police had arrested these workers this morning. They had been granted police remand as well. And Himachal police says that they have filed an FIR for the kidnapping of three people. And I'm told that my colleague Lalit is joining us on the broadcast for more. Lalit, tell us more details about what happened, this face-off between Delhi police and Himachal police. The Congress workers are detained, we understand. Have been released by the Himachal police, we understand.
The input what the Republic TV has got after the Delhi police went to arrest the three persons who have been wanted in the AS summit case. They were being hidden in the Himachal Pradesh Rodu in the Chirgaon place. So when the Delhi police went there to arrest them, and when they were taking them back, the Himachal police first stopped them near the Dharampur in Solan, and from there they were taken back. The Delhi police were detained by the Himachal police, and they were produced in the district court in Shimla. So when they had a settlement there, after they were once again leaving back to Delhi, or after the arrest of all the three Congress workers whose names have been in the list. So once again the Shimla police stopped them near the Chogi bypass. So a fresh FIR has been filed against the Delhi police, in which the charges of abduction and kidnapping has been charged against the Delhi police. So, as per the inputs, around 15 Delhi policemen who have come to arrest the three Congress workers. Now, in the face-off between the Himachal police and the Delhi police, the Delhi police have been detained after a fresh FIR was lodged against the Delhi police persons. A case was filed of abduction and kidnapping of the three guests who were in the hotel in Chirgaon of Roru. So, in a turn and twist of the events in the full day, now the Delhi police is being detained, and right now the high voltage drama is going on near the Shogi barrier of Himachal Pradesh, Shimla.
Lalit, when Himachal Pradesh police says that this is illegal detention, on what basis is this being said?
Well, as per the input, what Republic TV has got, a statement has been released by the Shimla police, in which they have said that they got information that three guests who were living in a hotel in Chirgaon, around 15 to 20 persons in civil dress came there, and they started arresting them, they started kidnapping them. They even have taken the DVDs and the CCTV footage of that hotel without even taking confidence of the Himachal, basically the Shimla police. So no information was being given to the Shimla police about the arrest of all the three. So in that case, a FIR has been registered against the Delhi police of abduction and kidnapping of the three guests who were staying in the Chirgaon area of Rodu in Shimla. So there has been a face-off between the Delhi police and the Shimla police. And if we recall and talk about this whole case, it is about the AI Summit case in which the Congress workers did a semi-nude protest against the Prime Minister there in the AI Summit. So there have been names of three Congress workers in that who were protesting in that protest in Delhi AI Summit. So these three persons have been hiding in Shimla's Chirgaon area, and when the Delhi police got the information about they went there to arrest them in the civil dress. But when the Himachal police asked them about the information or the jurisdiction or the warrant they have got, so they have not informed legally about that. So it's a legal matter of jurisdiction which has happened, and in that case now the FIR has been filed by the Shimla police, in which it has been said that three guests who have been staying in the Chirgaon area of Shimla, they have been abducted and kidnapped by 15 to 20 unknown people. So in that case they have been detained. FIR has been registered against the Delhi police, and in a turn and twist of events and a high voltage drama, these all things are happening near the Shogi barrier of Shimla. Back to those studios.
Right. Many thanks, Lalit, for joining us with those details on that story. We were three Youth Congress workers who were detained by Delhi police from Rohru and Shimla have been brought back to Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh police, meanwhile, calls it an illegal detention. They blocked Delhi police personnel, they blocked the Delhi cops, and they released the Congress workers who were detained by the Delhi police in connection with what happened at the AI Impact Summit 2026 at the Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi.